Welcome everyone. Today we are going to talk about something that almost every person experiences but very few people truly understand. Relationship and family struggles. Not the small arguments that disappear after a few hours. Not the occasional disagreements that every family has. We are talking about the deeper struggles. The misunderstandings that last for months. The silence between people who once talked every day. The emotional distance that slowly grows between family members and partners. These struggles are more common than we think. Almost every family goes through moments where love exists, but peace does not. People care for each other, but they cannot understand each other. Words are spoken, but the real feelings remain hidden. Many people believe that strong relationships happen naturally, but the truth is very different. Strong relationships are built. They are maintained. And sometimes they must be repaired after damage has already happened. In this discussion, we will explore why relationship and family struggles happen and what we can do to overcome them in a healthier and wiser way. Many families appear happy from the outside, but inside the home there may be tension, frustration, and emotional distance. A parent may feel that their children do not respect them anymore. A child may feel that their parents never truly listen to them. A husband may feel unappreciated, while a wife may feel unsupported. These feelings slowly build up over time. At first, the problems seem small. Maybe someone forgets to say thank you. Maybe someone speaks in anger during a stressful day. Maybe someone feels ignored during a conversation. But when these small moments repeat again and again, they slowly create emotional walls. Over time, these walls grow higher. Communication becomes weaker. Understanding becomes harder. People stop expressing their true feelings because they fear more conflict. Instead of solving problems together, they begin to live side by side without truly connecting. This is how many relationship struggles begin. One of the biggest reasons families struggle is poor communication. Communication is not just about talking. It is about being understood. Many people speak, but they do not express what they truly feel. They hide their emotions behind anger, sarcasm, or silence. For example, a person may feel hurt because their partner did not support them during a difficult time. Instead of calmly explaining this feeling, they might respond with criticism or frustration. The partner then becomes defensive and responds with anger. The real issue, which was emotional pain, never gets discussed. This creates a cycle where both people feel misunderstood. Over time, each conversation becomes more tense than the last. Healthy communication requires honesty, patience, and the willingness to listen. Listening is often more important than speaking. When people feel heard, they become calmer and more open. When they feel ignored, they become defensive and distant. Another common struggle in relationships is the difference in expectations. Every person enters a family or relationship with certain expectations about how things should be. These expectations are often shaped by childhood experiences, culture, and personal beliefs. One person might believe that family members should always spend time together, while another might value personal space and independence. One partner might expect constant emotional support, while the other may show love through actions rather than words. When these expectations are not discussed openly, disappointment begins to grow. People start thinking that their partner or family member does not care about them, when in reality they simply express care in a different way. Understanding these differences is essential for healthy relationships. When people learn to discuss expectations honestly, they begin to understand each other better. This understanding reduces conflict and strengthens trust. Stress is another powerful factor that damages family relationships. Modern life is filled with responsibilities. People worry about money, work pressure, education, and future uncertainty. When stress becomes overwhelming, it affects how people behave at home. A person who feels exhausted after a long day may become impatient or irritated. A parent struggling with financial pressure may become stricter or emotionally distant. Unfortunately, family members often become the closest targets for this stress. Anger that is caused by work problems may be expressed during family conversations. Frustration from outside situations may appear as arguments at home. Over time, these reactions create an unhealthy emotional environment. Families must learn to recognize the impact of stress and develop healthier ways to deal with it. Instead of blaming each other, family members can support one another during difficult times. This support creates emotional safety and strengthens family bonds. Trust is another foundation of strong relationships, and once it is damaged, rebuilding it can be very difficult. Trust is not created by a single action. It grows slowly through consistent behavior. When someone promises something and keeps their promise, trust becomes stronger. When someone repeatedly breaks promises or hides the truth, trust begins to weaken. In many families, trust is damaged through small repeated actions rather than one major mistake. A partner may promise to change certain habits but fail to follow through. A family member may repeatedly ignore important conversations. These behaviors slowly reduce confidence in the relationship. When trust weakens, even small misunderstandings can create major conflicts. Rebuilding trust requires patience and responsibility. It requires honest conversations, consistent behavior, and a willingness to admit mistakes. Trust cannot be repaired instantly, but with time and sincere effort, it can grow again. Another struggle that families often face is the difficulty of balancing individuality and togetherness. Every person has personal dreams, goals, and interests. At the same time, families require cooperation and shared responsibilities. Problems begin when one side becomes stronger than the other. If someone focuses only on personal ambitions, family members may feel neglected. If someone sacrifices all personal desires for the family, they may begin to feel trapped or resentful. Healthy families learn to balance both needs. They support individual growth while maintaining strong connections. This balance allows people to feel both independent and supported. When family members encourage each other's dreams while also maintaining shared values, relationships become stronger and more meaningful. Another major issue that creates conflict is unresolved past experiences. Many people carry emotional wounds from earlier stages of life. These wounds may come from childhood, previous relationships, or difficult family situations. Sometimes individuals bring these emotional scars into new relationships without realizing it. A person who experienced betrayal in the past may struggle with trust in their current relationship. Someone who grew up in a household filled with criticism may become very sensitive to negative comments. These past experiences influence how people react during conflicts. A small disagreement may trigger deeper emotional reactions that seem confusing to others. Understanding this emotional history is important for healthy relationships. When family members learn about each other's past struggles, they develop empathy. This empathy allows them to respond with patience instead of judgment. Forgiveness is another essential element for healing family struggles. In every relationship, mistakes will happen. People will say things they regret. They will sometimes act selfishly or make poor decisions. Without forgiveness, these mistakes remain like emotional scars that never heal. Holding on to anger and resentment slowly damages both the relationship and the individual. Forgiveness does not mean ignoring harmful behavior or accepting repeated disrespect. Instead, it means releasing the constant emotional burden of past mistakes. It allows people to move forward and rebuild their connection. True forgiveness requires understanding, accountability, and a sincere effort to change harmful behavior. When forgiveness becomes part of family culture, relationships become more resilient during difficult times. Another powerful solution to relationship struggles is developing emotional awareness. Many conflicts happen because people react without fully understanding their own emotions. For example, someone may feel disappointed but express it as anger. Someone may feel insecure but respond with criticism. When people learn to identify their real emotions, they can communicate more clearly. Instead of attacking each other during disagreements, they can explain their feelings calmly. Emotional awareness also helps individuals control their reactions. When someone recognizes that they are feeling overwhelmed or angry, they can pause before responding. This pause prevents unnecessary arguments and creates space for healthier conversations. Healthy relationships also require effort and intentional care. Many people assume that love alone is enough to maintain strong family bonds. In reality, love must be supported by daily actions. Small gestures such as appreciation, encouragement, and quality time play a powerful role in strengthening relationships. A simple conversation at the end of the day can rebuild emotional connection. A sincere apology can repair hurt feelings. A moment of gratitude can remind people why they value each other. These small actions may seem simple, but when they happen regularly, they create a positive emotional environment within the family. Over time, these moments become the foundation of strong and lasting relationships. It is also important to remember that every family experiences struggles at some point. Conflict does not mean a relationship is failing. In many cases, conflict is simply a sign that growth is needed. When families learn to face problems together instead of avoiding them, they become stronger. Difficult conversations may feel uncomfortable at first, but they often lead to deeper understanding. When people learn to listen with empathy, express their feelings honestly, and support each other during challenges, relationships begin to heal. The goal is not to eliminate all disagreements. The goal is to handle disagreements in a healthy and respectful way. Relationship and family struggles can feel overwhelming, especially when emotions run high and misunderstandings continue for long periods of time. However, it is important to remember that change is always possible. With patience, honest communication, and mutual respect, even deeply strained relationships can improve. Families that learn from their struggles often develop stronger bonds than before. They gain a deeper understanding of each other's needs, fears, and dreams. They learn how to support one another during difficult moments and celebrate together during joyful ones. In the end, strong relationships are not defined by the absence of problems. They are defined by the willingness to work through those problems together. Every conversation, every apology, every moment of understanding brings people closer to rebuilding trust and connection. When family members choose empathy instead of judgment and patience instead of anger, they create an environment where love can grow again. Relationships may face storms, but with effort and understanding, those storms can become the very experiences that strengthen the bond between people who truly care about each other. At this point, the most important thing to remember is that relationships are not meant to be perfect. They are meant to grow. Growth often comes through difficult moments, honest conversations, and the courage to face uncomfortable truths. When family members begin to understand that everyone carries their own struggles, expectations, and fears, compassion naturally increases. Instead of reacting with anger, people begin to respond with patience. Instead of assuming the worst, they start asking questions and seeking understanding. These small changes slowly rebuild emotional safety within the family. Strong families are built when people choose connection over ego. Sometimes that means admitting mistakes. Sometimes it means forgiving sooner than pride would like. And sometimes it simply means listening without interrupting. These actions may seem simple, but they have the power to repair even deeply strained relationships. Over time, respect begins to replace resentment, and communication becomes easier again. Every relationship will face challenges, but challenges do not have to destroy the bond between people. When individuals choose empathy, honesty, and effort, families can heal and become stronger than before. In the end, the true strength of a relationship is not how perfect it looks, but how willing people are to keep understanding, supporting, and growing together through every stage of life. If you enjoyed this story and want to improve your English and your life, make sure to subscribe to the channel and join this learning journey with us. And watch the next story on your screen to continue improving your English.